been some time since I've been vlogging, but I'm officially in London, in the nice parts, doing podcasts, sponsored. Now we've got a comedy show, so I've got to run. But let me take you on a little tour. This is a day in August. There's the city of London, Canary Wharf behind me. Quick run, nothing special, 5k. I have been smashing out these podcast episodes and did a comedy show yesterday. Terrible. I bombed. Maybe not as bad as other times, but it was pretty bad. And I've done so well on that show before, so it kind of sucked. But that's life. It is what it is. And now I shall go and drink with my buddy Ross to wash away the pain. Okay, I'm on another run, trying to get in basically a run every day. Maybe a swim if I'm in some location I could swim at the beach or something, at least do 500 to 1,500 meters a day. Okay, so we've gotten our car, which is maybe my favorite car at the moment. It's a Suzuki Jimny. It's about 1 billion years old, a couple 100k, 1000k, and it's convertible. It's very simple. So we'll see how we go with that. All rusted out. But we have an archaeological site to review, so let's get into it. So, this is the start of the Aegina trip. We learn about Aegina, the arch nemesis of Athens. Okay, we are at Agios Nekterios, a absolutely massive church, a monastery here in the mountains of Aegina. So let's go take a look inside.
Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route.
Okay, we have finally arrived at the Temple of Aphaea, built probably between 490 and 470. And it is said that they built this with the loot from the Battle of Platea and Salamis, which is right there. But I don't know if that's true. But what a beautiful building. Gorgeous, right? All the pediments, all the statues that would have been up here are in a German museum. Which makes a lot of sense because Germany did... Oh wait, no, World War II.